Bradford White water heaters can experience several common issues that homeowners should be able to identify. Understanding these problems is the first step in effective troubleshooting. The most common Bradford White water heater problems include a complete lack of hot water, insufficient hot water production, water leaks, unusual noises like popping or banging, and water that becomes too hot. Modern Bradford White water heaters often feature digital displays that show error codes. These codes can help pinpoint the specific problem and should be referenced against your user manual or the Bradford White website. Start your troubleshooting with a thorough visual inspection. Look for any visible leaks, signs of corrosion, loose connections, and general wear on the unit and its components. Next, verify the power supply to your water heater. For electric models, check that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. For gas models, ensure the gas supply is flowing properly to the unit. For gas water heaters, check that the pilot light is lit and burning with a proper blue flame. The thermocouple, which senses the pilot flame, must be functioning correctly to keep the gas valve open. Examine the thermostat to ensure it's set to the correct temperature and functioning properly. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections that might affect its operation. Sediment buildup at the bottom of the tank is a common cause of water heater problems. This accumulation can reduce heating efficiency, cause popping or banging noises, and potentially damage heating elements. By following these systematic identification steps, visual inspection, power verification, pilot light checks, thermostat examination, and sediment consideration, you can effectively identify most common Bradford White water heater problems before moving on to specific troubleshooting solutions. Once you've identified the problem with your Bradford White water heater, you can begin systematic troubleshooting to fix the issue. For a no hot water issue, start by checking three key components: the circuit breaker, heating element, and thermostat. If your water heater is leaking, inspect the temperature and pressure relief valve first, then check the tank itself for any signs of damage. Noisy water heaters often indicate sediment buildup, high water pressure, or a loose heating element. Sediment accumulation is the most common cause. If the pilot light won't stay lit, the thermocouple is likely faulty and needs replacement. This is the most common problem in gas water heaters. Regular maintenance can prevent many of these issues. Flush the tank every 6 to 24 months, depending on your water hardness, and inspect the anode rod for corrosion. Modern Bradford White water heaters display error codes to help diagnose problems. Error codes 7 and 8 indicate a gas valve fault requiring replacement. Remember that incorrect installation or inadequate maintenance can void your warranty. When in doubt, consult a qualified technician to ensure proper repairs and maintain warranty coverage.